The first nurses to burn out and quit are usually the winners. And that's because they get out of a system that is absolutely tearing them to bits. And what they do is they take that same level of knowledge, that same ability to stay calm under pressure, to help people sort through medical options, and they put it into something called senior placement consulting. Now, what that is you are essentially acting as a care concierge. You've probably heard about MDs doing that, and you're doing the same. And what you're in specific, you're taking families and helping them find a place to stay for mom and dad when mom and dad can't stay at home anymore. It's just not safe. Dad's wandering, mom left the stove on, the bills aren't getting paid, and the family's freaked out. And you're able to help that family for free. And you're able to do that because the facilities, they're the ones who take care of the invoice. So if that's of interest to you, if you'd like to go and find something that you can do that isn't grinding you out, that isn't killing your feet and your will to live, go ahead and check out my channel.